want to become perfect in English, become perfect speaker. Keeping such dream and desire is good, but it becomes problem when instead of starting your journey practicing, you decide first become perfect, then start your journey. How it becomes a problem, I will tell you little later. So hey beautiful soul all over the world, how are you all? Hoping doing well. So my friend, see how it becomes problem and why. See, when you decide not to start your journey, not to practice, first become perfect. So in this way, this thought, this target don't allow you to start your journey, and also it hold you in a waiting of getting perfectness. And as we know very well, perfectness doesn't come by waiting, it comes by acting practically on the ground where you want to be perfect, good there. For better understanding, I am going to give you one example. Let's suppose someone wants to be at good in driving, wants to drive confidently, nicely, everywhere, anywhere, on the road and crowded place. But that person is, working on theory and doing practical practice on the ground, on the field somewhere, but not on the road. So my friend, now tell me, will he become good at driving on the road? No. Why? Because he is only doing such practice on the ground and field. He should do simultaneously on the road too. That's how he will learn and be good at driving on the road as well. So my friend, in this language too, same thing apply. If you want to be confident, fluent speaker, good speaker, speaking English everywhere with anybody, then you will have to practice practically on the ground. If you want to be in public, then you will have to start speaking in public with your less knowledge in English, with your flaws, with your you know imperfectness. I had to change my place because it started raining. So sorry for this. My friend, I want to ask why you don't want to start your journey with less knowledge. Why you don't want to let know the people you make mistake, you hesitant, you are not good at speaking. Why you only want to show yourself as a perfect, fluent, confident speaker? Why you have to do this? Why, my friend? Is it bad? Why you feel embarrassment? Shame on you. If you are not good at English, if you make mistake, why you feel like this? Why you have only to show yourself as a good speaker, as a perfect speaker? You should not. Why? Because you are learner of this language. You are going to learn first time. It's obvious you will not know a lot of things. So why feel like this? Why not start confidently, proudly, whatever you know, whatever you have, with your imperfections, with your flaws, with your mistake, and then work on them, correct them, improve them, learn. Why not in this way? Confidently and proudly, my friend. My friend, I want to tell you, keeping such thought and setting such target, be perfect, then start, is not good. You must avoid it, ignore it. Why? Because it doesn't allow anyone to start, to go ahead, to learn. It's only hold you back. And in this way, you are not going to reach to the perfectionist level, good level, unless until you start. So from today onwards, my friend, I'm telling, stop chasing, rushing, and setting such target in your journey, especially in initially. In any kind of field, if you are going to begin learn, then don't set this target. Your target should be do your best, give your best, learn, work on your flaws, do practice daily with consistency. It should be your target instead of becoming perfectionist. So my friend, with this target, with this mindset, you will definitely reach to perfectionist level, not 100%, but my friend, some extent. Why not 100%? Because nobody is 100% perfect in anything else in this world. And you should also not set such target, but you can become some extent, and that should be. If I talk about me, my friend, so see, I am the girl who wasn't able to speak single sentence initially, but now I'm speaking in front of you, creating video for you. How it became possible for me. If I had not started my journey just because of, you know, I'm not good at English, I'm not perfect, so today I would not have been speaking in front of you. So how I gain this much, how I am able to speak this much English, because instead of perfectness I chose start practicing, learning with consistency. That's why I'm here. Okay, keep it side. Let's talk about my YouTube journey. My friend, when I was thinking to start my YouTube journey, that time also, you know, I didn't choose perfectness. Yeah, it was in my mind to be perfect, good at, English, not make mistake. Because I was thinking somewhere I'm going to create video, upload so people will watch, and if I make mistake, then what? I will give them message. So I should become perfect, then start. And in this way, I wasted my few months. Yeah, I will say I wasted. But thank God I'm habitude of reading, listening such people, great people, and from there I learn not to wait for perfectness, but start your journey. Perfectness comes with learning, with going consistently, walking. That's how, not by waiting. And with this thought, I started my YouTube journey. I was not speaking well, making mistake lots of time, but my friend, I kept my journey. I started my journey, and this time I'm speaking in front of you. I'm creating video for you. So I'm not saying I have become perfect. I have become very good. No, still I make mistake. Still there are so many room this journey in this language. I have to work on them. I'm working, but I want to give you message. I want to tell you that don't wait for perfectness. Whatever knowledge you have, little or more, yeah, flaws you have, start with that. That will remove only by taking action, practicing consistently, not by waiting. So don't make this mistake. This is what my friend I want to tell you. I want to aware you. हम किसी भी चीज़ में अच्छे तभी बनते हैं जब उस चीज़ को प्रैक्टिकली बार बार करते हैं, तभी बनते हैं। और जहाँ पे हम बनना चाहते हैं वहाँ करते हैं, तभी बनते हैं। ये नहीं कि खुद के साथ पूरा हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, 100% दे रहे हैं और सोच रहे हैं कि स्टेज पे जाके कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलेंगे, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा। आप कितना भी हार्ड वर्क और 100% अपना दे दीजिए अपने घर पे अलोन, लेकिन जब आप स्टेज पे बोलने जाएंगे फर्स्ट टाइम, आप हेजिटेंट करेंगे, मिस्टेक करेंगे ही करेंगे। वो क्लैरिटी तब भी आएगी जब आप उस चीज़ को बार बार रिपीट करेंगे on the stage, then only, my friend. So this is the, so understand the reality, understand the truth, and then act, take the decision, not blindly take any kind of decision and just wander in that. So my friend, today that's what I wanted to share. I hope you understood, and this video is going to aware you. If you find this video helpful, fruitful, then please like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video with new something. For today, that's it. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.